What's up, gang? I'm back with another one. This right here, wife in the back trying to hide. See how she do me, y'all? Anyways, I'm back with another unboxing. I got another mod for the beast. You guys won't believe what this is. Okay, wait. Before I show y'all, y'all need to hit that subscribe button right now. I'll wait. Watch out. You got me? Alright. And today, woo! This is a mod that I haven't seen really nobody have. It's pretty old. It's about 2 years old. It's pretty pricey. I guess that's why a lot of people didn't put this mod because, I mean, for $189 for this, it's pretty pricey. So let me get into what I got in this box. And let's just get into it. Let's go. Okay, gang, and today in this box, let me show y'all what I got. Okay, gang. Bam. You don't know what this is, gang? This right here is the killer glass. This right here is a glass coolant tube that you install that you can see through. Okay, so that came in the box. Get this out the way. LED lights came in the box. These go on the outside of the tubing. Here go the shrink tubes and the instructions. So if you don't know about this, go ahead and look it up. It's pretty neat. Okay. So basically underneath my hood, I'm starting to actually do some mods. And I thought this would be cool. This retails about $189 without tax or shipping. And like I said, I don't see a lot of people with it just because I feel like this is a very pricey mod. I didn't pay this price, but it is brand new. Okay. They say you can run this over with a car and it wouldn't crack. So we're going to be installing this soon too. So please stay tuned if you haven't already. Go ahead and subscribe. More mods coming up. I will be installing my wicker bill, my hood, my front splitter, this intake hose, my steering wheel, and many more. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Peace.